Imagine a city so rich, so powerful, and so obsessed with the future that it seemed impossible for it to ever fall. In the 1950s, Detroit was the beating heart of America's industrial revolution. Factories created millions of opportunities, while a growing middle class transformed prosperity into the American dream. Here, the automobile was more than transportation. It was a symbol of freedom, status, technology, and the future. Chrome, massive engines, sweeping fins, and unforgettable designs turned ordinary cars into rolling works of art.
Downtown Detroit was crowded, clean, vibrant, and filled with confidence. Its monumental skyscrapers reflected the wealth generated by one of the most powerful industrial centers on Earth. Inside enormous factories, thousands of workers transformed steel, glass, and machinery into millions of automobiles. For generations of families, an automobile factory job meant stability, a home, and a better future. At night, Detroit became a city of lights, entertainment, and endless traffic.
Welcome to the future of transportation.
And its designers were already imagining a world that looked decades ahead. At its peak, Detroit seemed unstoppable, the undisputed automotive capital of the world. But beneath the prosperity, the first shadows were beginning to appear. Over the following decades, factories closed, industries moved, neighborhoods struggled, and the city lost much of the economic power that had made it famous. So how did the automotive kingdom of America go from one of the world's richest cities to a symbol of urban decline? And what can Detroit teach us about the rise and fall of great cities?